going the extra mile to help. Sometimes people are kinder and more generous than we can ever imagine. So we've decided to honor young people all over the world who have worked hard and who have really gone that extra mile to help a cause. In the spotlight this week is Katie Spots, who became the youngest person to row solo across the Atlantic Ocean. Breaking a record, however, was not Katie's only ambition. She wanted to do something far more important than accomplish a personal goal. This American girl rowed an incredible 4,533 kilometers from Senegal to Guyana in her 6-meter rowing boat to raise money and awareness for the Blue Planet Run Foundation, whose objective is to get clean drinking water to over 1 billion people worldwide. Katie rowed over 10 hours a day for 70 days and raised over $70,000 for the foundation. She hopes her feat will encourage other young people. Do you know any more stories about amazing young people who have overcome obstacles to help others? Post them here. Post your comment.
Wow! Katie really deserves our respect. I know of another person who did something physically difficult to help a charity. An 18-year-old named Chris Albertin once broke his ankle so badly that the doctor said he might never walk properly again. Amazingly, he climbed 6,000 meters to the top of Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest mountain. He did it with 59 other students, and together they raised a total of £138,000 for Childreach International, a charity that helps children and their families who live in poverty. Posted by Lizzie on the 3rd of the 10th.
Both Katie and Chris are a true inspiration to everyone. Here in Lincoln, England, Luke Birch is a bit of a local hero. He swam 33 kilometers across the cold waters of the English Channel for charity. The scary thing is that he got stung by a jellyfish. Unfortunately, the rules of the charity event didn't allow him any assistance, so he kept swimming despite the pain of the sting. It must have been tough for him with the rough waters and windy conditions, but Luke persisted and arrived in France after 14 hours. Thanks to his determination, he raised £7,885 for Macmillan Cancer Support in the UK and Planting Promise, a charity that helps build schools in Sierra Leone. Luke really overcame obstacles to help people in need. Posted by Nate, the 7th of the 10th.